Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Vivian. Today, we will learn how to make steamed egg tofu with minced pork. It's a simple dish but nice to go with rice. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 200 grams pork. After that, cut the pork into thin slices. And then chop into minced meat. Put it into a clean dish and save it for later. Now, we need to use 3 pieces of Japanese tofu. Cut them into thin pieces like this. Don't cut them too thin, or they will easy to break. By the way, try to keep them the same size so that the dish will have a better look when it's done. Then, put the tofu evenly on the plate and put it into a circle like what I do now. Before cooking the steamed egg tofu with minced pork, we should prepare some other ingredients. Finely minced 2 chili peppers. Save them for later. Finely minced 1 green onion, save it for later. After preparing ingredients, we should marinate the minced pork. Add half tablespoon soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon peanut oil, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce to the minced pork dish. Then stir well with chopsticks. Next, take out the plate which is filled with slices of tofu, and then put the minced meat into the plate like this. And dig a small hole in the middle. Knock the egg into the hole. Now we can start to cook steamed egg tofu with minced pork. Firstly, we should add enough water into the pan. Use high heat to boil them. After the water has boiled, put the prepared plate in and cover the lid. Be careful not to scald by the steam. After boiling for 15 minutes, take out the plate. Be careful, it's hot. Don't touch it directly. Cool the dish for a while and then rid excess moisture. After that, we should put the chili peppers evenly on each piece of tofu. And then sprinkle with chopped green onion. Finally, pour in half tablespoon soy sauce. The fragrant steamed egg tofu with minced pork is ready for eating. It seems easy to make the dish, but if you taste it, you will find that it's smooth, fresh and tender. The delicate meat with a little spicy taste makes your mouth feel fragrant and satisfied. Just enjoy it. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. See you next Chinese food.